Hello, and welcome back to the realm of magic. Here you'll see me create creatures, plants, and objects, all based on the legendary city of Atlantis. However, this week we have a special collaboration episode with THEMANGOGOHDA. He creates videos, music, and live streams on twitch.tv. So, if you guys are interested at all in that, please check out his links in the description box below, shall we? First, we start with the armature, or the skeleton of a sculpture. So it became obvious very quickly that I did not create the armature correctly. I should have created a singular wire form and then layered everything onto it. However, I did not, and the sculpture cracked while baking. It's okay though, because I used air drying clay to repair and it all worked out. From here on, you'll see me shape out different pieces of clay and use just a few tools to create some dimension for the sculpture. So the part earlier where I said that I messed up and it cracked while it was baking, you can see in its neck and its shoulder region that I didn't buff it out enough. Its neck is really crooked looking and it couldn't bear the weight of the head and it cracked. And also underneath his left knee on the mango, so that's alright, you'll see how it changes. Alright. Now, let's bring our sculpture to life. that, the Mangogohda is complete and ready to join the archives. The final step will be throwing some epoxy resin on him and adding the other pieces. That way it's stable. This was definitely one of my hardest sculptures yet. It's taken the longest time. The armature, I thought I had it spot on, but ended up not working out as planned. But that's okay, because here we are, finished product, and I think it looks awesome. Fantastic. That's what I think, but I want to know what you think. So go ahead and comment your opinion on this video in the section below. Make sure to subscribe and follow our Instagram to get daily updates. Added support, please check out our Etsy shop. Most of our items are on there, and all of the related links in this video are in the description box below. So please go and support us just a little bit more and check out everything that's provided. Thanks again for watching, and remember, let love guide you, adventure keep you, and may my magic call to you. See you guys next time.